This how to 1 minute will show you how to see website visitors activity using Google Sitekit plugin. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up Google Sitekit plugin and see your website visitors. First of all, open your WordPress website dashboard and click on plugins, add new. Click on the search box and type Sitekit. All you have to need just install Sitekit by Google plugin. Once it's installed, activate the plugin. Once the Sitekit added, click on Start Setup. Check this box and click on Sign in with Google. Select your Google account. Continue. And click on Verify. Turn on metrics in your dashboard. Click on Allow. Set up Search Console. Set up Google Analytics. Select your account. You can set up a new account from here. Click on Configure Analytics. Proceed. Select your Google account. Continue. Once your Google Sitekit set up, here you will get your website visitors. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.